वेक्टर्स के इस क्वेश्चन में नंबर ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट्स आर गोइंग टू बी क्लियर्ड which are very helpful. It is requested go through the session completely. Now let's start with the question. Question is, let vector w equal to I plus j minus 2k and u and v vector be two vectors such that u cross v equal to w and v cross w equal to u. Let alpha, beta, gamma and t be the real numbers such that vector u is related with alpha, beta, gamma and relation between alpha, beta, gamma and t is given by three homogeneous equations. Match each entry in list 1 to the correct entry in the list 2 and choose the correct option. Means we have to match the answer. We have to match the answer. Question is taken from JEE Advanced 2025 paper 1. Concept, applicable and solution. In this case A cross B, answer is another vector which is perpendicular to the plane of both the vectors A and B, like this. A, B, answer is vector C, suppose. So this is C vector which is perpendicular to this, which is perpendicular to this, right? This is theta. A magnitude, B magnitude, sine theta equal to C magnitude. Now, as it is given UVW, if you move like this cross this equal to U, this cross this equal to U, means theta is 90 degree. Theta is 90 degree. This concept is applicable in this question, one of the concepts, right? Now further, according to question, U cross V equal to W and V cross W equal to U, means U V W. U cross V W, V cross W equal to U. Given. It means U, V and W are mutually perpendicular to each other. Mutually perpendicular to each other. Means U magnitude, V magnitude to W magnitude and V magnitude, W magnitude equal to U magnitude. So this equation 1, this equation 2. 1 multiplied by 2, we get V square U magnitude, W magnitude, U magnitude, W magnitude. So this goes, so V square comes out to 1. V square comes out to be 1. So its option will be V square की value होगी 1. So P matches to 2. P matches 2. E matches 2. Next, हमें given a value omega की. Omega is I plus j minus 2k. And u vector given है alpha I plus beta j plus gamma k. So u dot w will be equal to 0 because u, v, w all are mutually perpendicular. Therefore, this will be equal to alpha plus beta minus 2 gamma equal to 0. इसको मार्क कर दे इक्वेशन ए, इसको मार्क कर दे इक्वेशन है. And magnitude of omega will be equal to under root 1 plus 1 plus 4, that is under root 6, that is omega square equal to 6 आ गया. Omega square equal to 6 आ गया. Now omega square equal to 6. Now, you know, u magnitude will be equal to v magnitude omega magnitude. So u square magnitude will be v square magnitude omega square magnitude. Therefore, 1 into 6. So u square magnitude 6. That is u magnitude comes out to be 6. U comes out to be u की वैल्यू मिल गई, ओमेगा की मिल गई, v की मिल गई. Now, as u is given alpha I plus beta j plus gamma k, it means u magnitude will be equal to under root alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square equal to 6. That is alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square equal to 6. This equation will also be utilized. This equation is B. The equation is B. Right? Now, according to question, to find alpha, beta and t, 3 questions are given. For homogeneous equations, that is of the type ax equal to 0, for non-trivial solution coefficient matrix should be singular, or you can say determinant of coefficient matrix should be equal to 0. Now, from this we will find value of t. So determinant will become, 3 questions are given to, this will be minus t 1 1 0 1 minus t 1 1 1 minus t equal to 0. Very simple. On simplification we get, expand कर लीजिएगा, t plus 1 and t minus 2, that is t equal to minus 1 or t equal to 2. T equal to 2. Now further, before going through this further, hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel City Swift Love. Please go through all these, going to be very very important. Now let's start the further question. Now, considering two cases when t equal to 2 and t equal to 1, let केस 1 t इक्वल टू 2। 3 क्वेश्चन गिवन थे हमें, तो वही क्वेश्चन रिड्यूसेस 2 हो गई, माइनस 2 अल्फा प्लस बीटा प्लस गामा इक्वल टू 0, अल्फा माइनस 2 बीटा प्लस गामा इक्वल टू 0 एंड अल्फा प्लस बीटा माइनस 2 गामा इक्वल टू 0। From this, it comes out to be alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. Conclusion. Alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. तो क्वेश्चन में गिवन है अल्फा इक्वल टू √3, अल्फा इक्वल टू बीटा गामा की जगह अल्फा पुट कर देते हैं एज फ्रॉम इक्वेशन बी, अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर प्लस गामा स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 6। तो अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस अल्फा स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 6, 3 अल्फा स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 6 अल्फा comes out to be √2, अल्फा comes out to be √2 कितना है, अल्फा comes out to be √3, alpha comes out to be √2. If alpha comes out to be √2, then t plus 3 equal to alpha comes out to be √2, then t plus 3, that is 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Means if alpha equal to √2, t plus 3 equal to 5. चेक कर लीजिए कौन सा मैच करता है, कौन सा मैच करता है। अल्फा इक्वल टू टी प्लस 3 इक्वल टू 5, इफ अल्फा इक्वल टू √2, एस मैच करता है 5 से, एस मैच करता है 5 से, एस मैचेस 5, right? Now further, now considering t equal to -1, considering t equal to -1, तो इस इक्वेशन में पुट करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा अल्फा प्लस बीटा प्लस गामा, all same equation, all the equations we reduce to this, and from equation A, alpha plus beta minus 2 gamma equal to 0. This becomes 3 gamma equal to 0, gamma equal to 0. It means alpha plus beta equal to 0 means beta equal to minus alpha. As we know, equation B, alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square equal to 6. That is alpha square plus 0 equal to 6. 2 alpha square equal to 6. Alpha equal to √3. Means if alpha equal to √3, gamma square equal to 0. This is one of the correct answer. It matches if alpha equal to √3, gamma square equal to 0, q is 1. Q matches 1. Now further, as alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 0, हमें बीटा प्लस गामा होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू माइनस अल्फा का होल स्क्वायर, दैट इज अल्फा की वैल्यू दे रखी है ना 3, दैट इज 3, बीटा प्लस गामा स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 3, तो बीटा प्लस गामा स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 3, इसमें भी देख लीजिए क्या आंसर बनता है, बीटा प्लस गामा इक्वल टू 3, दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट, तो R is 4, बीटा प्लस गामा स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 3, R is 4. is R matches 4. Overall correct answer is check कर देते हैं इसमें, that is A will come out to be correct. Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, City Shift Learns, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.